Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix and post app not working. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the app starts working. Next, swipe out from the bottom of your screen, look for the and post app, swipe it away, closing it completely, then reopen it. Temporary glitches can sometimes prevent the app from working. Then restart your phone to clear any system issues that may affect the app. Next, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for AN Post app, and then check whether you have updated the app or not. Outdated apps often stop working, so update your app. If the problem continues, long press on the app icon, remove app, delete app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for AN Post Track, and reinstall the app. That's how you fix the AN Post app not working. Subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.